All right, everyone, those are just my Grand's Cinnabon cinnamon rolls. Now I'm coming in with my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, and I am just gonna grab a little bit of this and place it right down the center of my cinnamon rolls here. You don't need too much. I'm probably using about half of this to a little bit less than half. And I'm just gonna start spreading that out into an even layer. With the fall coming up, we are using some delicious fall flavors and maximizing these cinnamon rolls. They are gonna be the ultimate treat. Ooh, y'all. And of course, make your own no-bake cheesecake if you like, with some cream cheese, some powdered sugar, a little lemon juice, a little vanilla. I'm just doing this the quick, easy way today. Alrighty, now I've got some apple pie filling, and I'm just gonna use this knife because I wanna cut these apples into smaller pieces. They come in pretty big chunks, regular size apple slices. But for our purposes today, we just want these guys to be a little bit smaller, lay a little bit flatter, and actually they're gonna go just like that, so that's perfect. All right, I'm just gonna get some of this out right on top here. Try not to overfill my cinnamon rolls, but I am such a, more is more kind of gal that is my tendency. Alrighty, that's looking really good. And what could be better than warm, baked, delicious apples, cinnamon rolls, a little bit of cheesecake. Y'all, this is gonna be a delicious fall treat, but we are still going to take this up another notch. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna roll my cinnamon rolls here back up, losing a little bit of our cinnamon, but don't worry too much about it because we're gonna be adding even more to these rolls. All right, I just cut my rolls here along that perforation. They are all filled up with that cinnamon cheesecake, apple gooey goodness. And we're just layering these guys right in here to our 13 by 9. All right, I'm gonna come in with my heavy whipping cream, and I am just gonna drizzle this onto all of my cinnamon rolls here across the bottom of our pan. And this is gonna make these nice and puffy and beautiful. I'm gonna set these aside for just a second. I got a stick of melted butter here. To this, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of light brown sugar and some more ground cinnamon. You can't go wrong. Now let me just get this all incorporated. Yum. Y'all, I don't think you can make cinnamon rolls decadent enough, in my opinion. Adding a little brown sugar, brown butter, cinnamon extra, the heavy whipping cream. These are just things that really take them to the next level. And especially if you're using a canned cinnamon roll like your Pillsbury, this is just a great way to kind of personalize them, make them even fluffier and more delicious. Okay, perfect. Bring this back in. And now I'm gonna drizzle our brown sugar butter mixture all over these beautiful rolls. I've got some of this left in here. Just get that out. It's gonna make these extra tasty. Perfect. Alrighty, now I'm coming in with some pecan halves. I did try to break these up just a little bit smaller, but I think these will go so great with that apples, the cinnamon, our cinnamon rolls. So I'm just doing a touch of pecans right over the top here. And now these are ready for the oven. We're gonna pop these in at 350 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, I cooked this in my oven for 35 minutes. Look at our gorgeous, delicious cinnamon rolls. Now I'm just gonna use this frosting that came on them just to drizzle all over the top, because you cannot have cinnamon rolls without the frosting. Yum, 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 yum. This looks amazing. All right, now I'm just gonna get me one of these. Oh, look at that. Our pecans, apple, cheesecake are perfectly, oh, look at that. This looks so good. Everything inside of here, so creamy, cinnamony, apple. Oh, y'all, this is the perfect fall treat. You gotta try it.